Welcome to the Teaching and Learning Online Workshop. My name is Johnny Jarrell. I'm the Director of the Center for Distance Ed for Lamar University. First off, I'm going to give you an orientation about this workshop. So all announcements will be listed here in the announcements area, and this is the first screen that will open up whenever you enter the workshop. To get started, click on the Content Start Here link. You can see the objectives for the workshop are listed. There's a to-do list for you to follow along. And the first thing you want to do after watching this course orientation is go to the Introductions discussion area and post a description. First thing you want to do is go to the Introductions discussion and introduce yourself to the rest of the participants in the workshop. Next, you want to start out with the core reading. It is a document that covers 10 principles of effective online teaching. This workshop has two activities, one due on Wednesday and one on Friday. Activity 1, which should take you about 1 to 2 hours to complete, starts off with a video of why your online course needs an introduction. Then we're going to look at Screencast-O-Matic, which is the tool that I'm using to create this course introduction. And what you're going to do is create one similar to this. So you'll want to open up one of your courses and do an introduction similar to what I'm doing here. And here we have videos on tutorials on how to complete each one of these things. If you're familiar with Screencast-O-Matic, then try out some of the features that you don't normally use, maybe such as labeling and some of the editing features. All instructors at Lamar University have access to the Pro Code, so if you like the trial version here, just let us know and we'll get you that Pro Code. After you get done, post a link to your introduction in the discussion board, and then you want to talk about your experience using the Screencast-O-Matic introduction. Okay, activity 2, which should be less than an hour, consists of a couple of, one reading about engaging students with engaging tools. The other is just an infographic that shows how different social media is used in higher ed. To complete the activity, you'll want to discuss what technologies you would consider using based on what you've read in your class, and that technology would engage a student. And also pick 2 best practices from our core reading and tell how you would apply them to the course. Okay, and after you complete both activities, please take the workshop survey. And these 2 activities are graded. There is a rubric that you can view. If you get at least 8 points out of the 10 in each activity and complete the workshop survey, then you'll be able to print out the certificate for this workshop. If you have any questions, please go to the discussion area and go to the forum topic, workshop questions and comments, and post those questions and comments here. All right, I hope you enjoy the workshop.